tank wrap insulation to keep normal. By optgroup, made in India. Tank wrap is made by 4-layered technology: first aluminium foil, second cross-linked polyethylene, third aluminium foil, fourth polyvinyl chloride fabric NBSP. Layer 1, Layer 2, Layer 3, Layer 4. With the help of tank wrap, we will protect the water tank and water both. Tank wrap protects the water from increasing and decreasing of water in winter and summer both. Benefits of tank wrap: prevents the water from being heated in scorching summer and frozen in winter. Reduces the electricity bills by decreasing the use of geyser and water heaters. Prevents from dirt entering into water tank and maintains the hygiene. Storing water in PVC tanks which are exposed to ultraviolet rays is hazardous, as UV rays come in contact with PVC and leads to unwanted chemical reactions inside tank. Tank wrap reflects back the UV rays coming from outside. Tank wrap helps to flow water through RO systems and pressure pumps at normal temperature in all seasons. Hence, protect RO system and pressure pump from wear and tear. Reduces the maintenance cost of RO system, pressure pump, solar geyser, etc. Unaffected by moisture, humidity and condensation, hence maintenance free. Increase your water tank life. Temperature of water sample taken on summer at various time. Temperature of water sample taken on winter at various time. For more information, please contact us at +9190@optbazaar.com. To buy this product, please visit our merchant website www.optbazaar.com.